So for the mouth, you're going to take your red piece of paper and hold it so it's the tall direction in front of you. You want a nice long tongue. And you're going to make a big letter U. So start, and you can use any crayon color, it doesn't matter. You're gonna start at one side, go all the way down to the bottom, bring it back up. There's your letter U. So go ahead and do your best to cut on that line. Remember, when you're cutting a curve, when you close your scissors, you turn it or you turn the paper, or you do both. But you have to do both motions when you are closing your scissors, when you're cutting a curve. All right, now this is the dirty side because I see my crayon lines. Maybe you don't see crayon lines and you don't have a dirty side, but if you do see them, that's the side you want to put your glue on. Remember to shake your glue bottle a little bit once it's open. This means it's closed when you see the white top, so make sure you turn it so it's open. Here's my dirty side. I'm gonna shake my glue down a little bit, and I'm touching the paper when I'm gently squeezing out a little dot of glue. And make a few dots to cover the tongue. I don't think you need any more than 6. Flip it over. You could put your tongue hanging off the bottom. You could put it off to the side, but you just want it to make sure that you touch the black part of your mouth, so it's not just floating on your face. All right, there's your tongue. For your teeth, you have 2 different options. You're gonna get a white strip of paper like this. You can make teeth that look like a rectangle, and if you wanna do that, you just hold your strip like this, and you're just gonna make straight cuts on your paper strip. And there you have some rectangle teeth, and you can put as many or as few as you want. You could put 3, you could put 2, you could fit a few more on there, you could do 1. So there's your first option. Or you can make your teeth sharp. And if you want to make sharp teeth, you hold your paper strip the same way, but instead of making a straight cut right up and down, you're going to hold your scissors at an angle, at a diagonal, and you're going to cut a line that's slanted like this. And you're not quite done because you need to cut another line. Turn your scissors the other way and make a cut. Now you have a triangle, and to make more, all you have to do is turn it the other way again. There's another triangle. Turn your scissors and cut another one. And you might not use the rest of your paper. That's all right. And here you have some sharp teeth. Like that. You can even put one on the bottom if you want. It's up to you, but the teeth are pretty little. And I'll just glue the sharp teeth here. They only need 1 dot. Again, I'm touching my paper with the glue bottle, so it's not a big glob. Just 1 dot is all you need for each one. Pick up one at a time after you have it arranged where you want it. And there's your teeth. Now we're moving on to the arms and legs of our monster. You're gonna have 4 paper strips, 2 short ones and 2 long ones. Before we glue our arms and our legs, we need to fold them so it looks like they're moving a little bit. And to do that, we're going to do something that's called an accordion fold or a fan fold. And you're gonna take your strip of paper, doesn't matter which one you start with, but you're gonna hold it in front of you, and you're just with your 2 fingers, you're going to bend a little bit forward and press it down. Then you're going to flip it and bend it again, forward. Flip it, bend it. Flip it, bend it. Sometimes students like to hold it in the air, and just in between their fingers, they fold it one way, flip it, fold it the other way, flip it, fold it. So whatever works for you, and we'll do it again here one more time. And there it looks like a zigzag line if you hold it like this. This is an accordion fold or a fan fold. So again, here's my paper strip. If I'm holding it on the table, I hold it in my thumb and my pointer finger on each side, bend a little bit, flip it, fold it. You can say that in your head. Fold it, flip it, fold it. And when you flip it, you just flip it over its side. You don't flip it this way. You just flip it over its side like it's just rolling over. Fold it, flip it, fold it, flip it, fold it until you get to the end, and then you pull out and you should see that zigzag line. If you don't see that, make sure you raise your hand and I'll help you. And then when you get them all done, to glue it, once all 4 of them are folded, all you need is 1 dot of glue, just 1 dot of glue on the end, and all you have to do is lift up your monster and slide either your arm or your leg underneath, and then press down. 1 little dot, lift up your monster, arms go on the side, and then press down. And then you just do the same thing, folding and gluing your legs on the bottom.